National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, southwestern White County in central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Vernon, or 18 miles south of Heber Springs, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valonia, Rosebud, Enola, Mount Vernon, Antioch in White County, Barney, El Paso, Floyd, Romax.
That money.